Shoutout friends, welcome. On today's video, this is a special occasion for our YouTube sister, Miss K. Her channel name is Creating with Miss K. Miss K is celebrating her birthday in the month of April. So everyone who watches this video, please give Miss K a shout out and please go visit her channel. I believe I met Miss K, or I think it's now, I believe I met Miss K over a year ago or coming at a year. And I'm telling you, I thank God for her. We have so much in common. We love decoration and doing a lot of, things on YouTube, because that's how we met on YouTube. But most of all, we have in common that we are believers of Jesus Christ. So I thank God for you, Miss K, because when I need help, I can call on you to help me with these collabs and how to get these things up right. So I just thank God for you today. And guys, it is a blessing to find great people on YouTube. I hope you enjoy this video on today. Happy birthday. And I'm going to sing you a very short happy birthday song. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kate. May the Lord bless you with many, many more. I hope you enjoy this video. And these are all the co-hosts that's participating with her on this birthday celebration, and their names and links will be in my description box. Guys, please go back and watch what everyone else came up with. Kate asked us to create from anyone's channel. I love your style, and I decided to do Miss Diva's Can Cook. For this birthday celebration, I am going to recreate her key lime pie, and I am going to do this, guys, on a budget. Friends, this is what you're going to need for this key lime recipe. You will need some fresh key limes. You will need some key lime juice. You will also need some graham crackers, and I decided to use the Great Value because I wanted to do this on a budget. Now, you don't have to use Great Value, but I did this because I'm doing it on a budget. You will need unsalted butter and some condensed milk. Guys, this recipe is so easy to do. It only takes, if you have everything you need, about 30 minutes. So here I am, guys, squeezing my 4 limes. And I'm telling you, this is not easy to do. But I did squeeze them. But on the video, she did 25. So we're not going to do all that. And also make sure that you get a grater and grate some of the grinds off of it to go inside of your key lime pie to give it a little more tangy taste. Now, this is what I use to make my pie crust. And guys, let me tell you something. I don't have a food processor, but if you don't have a food processor, you can use a Ziploc bag and just take something to break it up. And on the end of this, guys, I end up using a Ziploc bag because it was so much faster, because this wasn't going as good as I wanted to. So friends, as I got all my cookies broken up, you mix approximately 2 cups. You add the sugar. I forgot to tell you about that sugar. Add a little bit of sugar and the butter, and you will mix this all together. And also, guys, this mix makes a large pie. So if you have a small pie pan, it's not going to work. You have to use 2 pans or a larger pan, or get a deeper pie dish. I found that out because I had to end up putting this into 2 dishes. So it's a great price, and I'm telling you guys, this came out so delicious. You can also buy your graham cracker crust if you decide to, but let me tell you something, buy it when you can do it homemade. Now some things are a little more easier to do, but if you buy it, but this time I made my homemade graham cracker crust. And make sure that you add a little bit of butter or butter spray into your pie crust pan so that it will not stick. And once you do that, guys, just press it in and press it all around the edges. And that's it. And then just set that part aside. Now we're going to go ahead and mix the ingredients. It's 2 cans of condensed milk. And make sure you get all of that condensed milk out of that can. As Diva Can Cook said, get it all out now. Y'all know it's delicious. And guys, once you do that, you will have to use a blender for this part and add 1 cup of sour cream. And that's mainly it, guys. And all I did after this was just add the lime grind from the limes and add it in this and mix it up. And that was it. It is so easy and it is so simple and it tastes so good. After you have mixed this all together, make sure it's mixed well. Then you fold in the lime grinds. And that's it, guys. And immediately after everything's finished, you pour this into your ready-made graham cracker crust dish. And that's it. After that, just put in the oven for about 10 minutes on 350 degrees. And after 10 minutes, let it sit out and cool. And you have to let this sit in the refrigerator overnight. Do not eat it, do not cut it. And this is the beautiful results. Guys, this is so delicious. I want to thank Miss K for putting this all together. And I wish her a happy, blessed birthday. And I thank y'all so much for watching. And thank Miss Diva Can Cook for this beautiful recipe. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.